Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Love story. My first love story. I am going to share my love story with you. I fell in love for the first time when I was in the 11th class. She looked very cute and her name was Muskan. So I saw Muskan for the first time when I was coming home from school one day. At that time Muskan was probably going to the center. I went completely mad after him because it had been 4 to 5 days since I saw Muskan. All the time, only his face was remembered. Then I thought one day that today I will stand at the same place till he comes. I stood on the same road till 5 o'clock that day where I saw Muskan for the first time. But that day also Muskan did not come. I was very sad and came home. Then the next day I saw him coming by school bus and I was very happy seeing him. Then I started thinking all the time how to talk to him. But I did not understand any such way. Then I somehow learned his name and hurriedly came home. Then I searched Muskan on Facebook. As soon as I wrote Muskan in Facebook search, a lot of Muskan came there. Now I got in trouble again that now how to find him on Facebook. Then I thought that now I will check all the IDs. So I started checking the ID and I got the ID of Muskan only after 8 to 9 ID. Muskan had put a picture of himself on his ID, only then I got it. I was very happy. Then I sent him a friend request and after 2 hours he accepted my request. Since then I started chatting with him online. I have been talking to him for almost 1 month. She considered me only as a good friend. But I used to love him. I thought many times that I should tell him I love you, but I was afraid that he might feel bad and he would stop talking to me. 4 months passed while I was talking to Muskan and one day I told him about my heart. But he did not give me any reply. I said sorry to him that I will never do this again. Then her reply came that she loves someone else. Tears came to my eyes as soon as I heard this. But I still used to talk to Muskan. After that 1 year had passed while talking to us and our school exams came. After the end of the exam, Muskan went somewhere else for the 12th class and since then she has never come online till date.